Let's divide 124 by 2. Hey Math Explorers! If you're having fun learning with me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Let's keep exploring the amazing world of numbers together. Ready to divide 124 by 2? Let's start with the first digit. We look at the first digit, which is 1. Can 2 go into 1? Nope, 2 is bigger than 1, so we put a 0 in the quotient. That's right, 0. 0 times 2 is still 0. We write that down. Now we subtract. 1 minus 0 equals 1. We have a remainder of 1. You're doing awesome. Don't worry if it's 0, we just keep going. Now, let's bring down the next digit to make a new number. Look at that, we have a 1 and a 2 making 12. How many times does 2 fit into 12? We bring down the next digit, 2, next to our remainder 1. Now we have 12. Let's think, 2 times what equals 12, it's 6. We write 6 in our quotient, and 6 times 2 is exactly 12. Time to subtract. 12 minus 12 equals 0. Easy peasy. Woohoo, you figured it out. That's a perfect score for this step. We're almost there, just one more digit to go. Last step, we bring down the final digit, 4. Now we have 4. We look at the remainder 0 and the new digit 4, making 4. How many times does 2 go into 4? You got it, 2 goes into 4 exactly 2 times. So we write 2 in our quotient, and 2 times 2 is 4. Let's subtract. 4 minus 4 equals 0. We have no remainder left. Amazing work, you solved the whole problem. High five. We've divided all the digits. Our final answer is ready. So, 124 divided by 2 equals 62. Great job, everyone! We just conquered dividing 124 by 2 using long division. Remember, each step is just a small part of a bigger adventure in math. Keep practicing, and you'll become a math whiz in no time. That's all for today, math adventurers. Keep shining bright, and I'll see you in the next video on Let's Stud.